Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to take one simple example where user called you and is stating that I'm not able to access my VDI. Please help me to fix the issue. So this is the VDI name which is given by the user, and user is trying remote desktop connection to access this VDI. Okay, so I put it over here. User is clicking on connect and it just loading, nothing is happening. To fix this problem, you need to log in into the VMware vSphere. You will get the idea of this. Okay, so I'm logging with my ID. Let's say what is the error message. Okay, so remote desktop cannot connect to the remote computer. All right, so let's see what happening. All right, so we have the VDI name provided by the user, this one. Oh, so machine is powered off. That's what user is not able to log in into the VDI. Of course, user will not have any tool to power on the machine. All right, so maybe something went wrong and the machine goes power off. So you have to do is you have to click on power on. All right, when you click on this black screen, another window will come up, web console, and you will see the status of the VDI, whether it is getting turned on or not. Okay, even though you will get the IP address over here, once you confirm, you will have the IP address of the VDI. You may ask user to give a try again to access the VDI. So it's loading. So maybe there is another scenario where the machine is powered on, but there is no IP address assigned to the VDI. Okay, in that case also you have to reboot the machine. Okay, so if you go to the action and go to the power, you need to click on restart. Since the VDI is powered on, you don't see the screen. Other thing, you can click on reset, so machine will reboot. Okay, so now this VDI got the IP address. Now you may ask user to give a try again to access the VDI. So let's say connect. All right, username is Steve. Let's put the password. Click on OK. Yep. All right, so now user is able to log in. So this is how it works. Thank you very much, and let's see you in next video. Thank you.